Hey everyone, and welcome back to OnlySocial. Imagine running a live product launch or webinar while you're asleep, traveling, or focused on other work. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today, I'm walking you through our pre-recorded live stream feature, your secret weapon for broadcasting automated live content to your audience, exactly when they're ready to watch. Let's dive in and set one up together. First, from your main OnlySocial account dashboard, locate and click the Create Post button. This will open up the main post composer where all our content creation begins. Now, you need to upload the video file you want to stream. You can either upload a new file directly from your device or select an existing video from your media library. This could be a pre-recorded tutorial, a webinar replay, or a product presentation, anything you want to stream as live. Next, select which social network will host your live stream. Currently, you can go live on Facebook and YouTube using this feature, with more platforms on the way soon. Simply choose the connected account you want to use. Here's where the magic happens. In the platform options, find the post type and select Pre-recorded Livestream. This tells OnlySocial to broadcast your uploaded video as a real-time stream, complete with a live indicator for your viewers. Once you have selected the live stream option, you will see several important settings to configure depending on the platform. As for YouTube, you can add a video or short title for your live stream. This is what your audience will see, so make it engaging and clear. Next, choose your privacy configuration. If you set it to public, your live stream video will be visible to everyone. If you choose private, only you and the people you select will be able to see it. And for the unlisted option, only people with the link will be able to view your live stream video. You will also need to specify whether your content is made for kids. This helps you stay compliant with children's privacy regulations. Do you want your live stream to keep playing after it ends? If so, you can set a loop/repeat count. For example, if you set it to 2 times, your video will play through completely, then automatically restart and play a second time before the live stream ends. This is perfect for short videos or reaching viewers in different time zones. If you prefer it to play just once, simply select No Repeat. Before finalizing your post, you can preview your video right inside the composer. This lets you see exactly how your content will look before it goes live. You also have the option to add a custom thumbnail, an eye-catching image that represents your video and encourages viewers to click. Here's how. Click Upload Custom Thumbnail to select an image from your device, or select Choose Frame from Video to pick a specific scene from your video as the thumbnail. Once you are happy with your thumbnail, click Apply Thumbnail to save it to your video. Now, choose the perfect date and time for your live stream to begin. Once selected, click Schedule. Your video is now set. It will automatically start streaming live to your audience at your chosen moment. No further action needed from you. And there you have it. You have just scheduled a pre-recorded live stream. You're now ready to engage your audience live on Facebook and YouTube, even when you're not actually recording in real time. It's a powerful way to automate your content and maximize your reach. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.